How to fix system UI isn't responding error on any Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix the issue of system UI not responding to your device. So let's get started. But before starting, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, I want you to go to your settings. After going to your settings, just scroll down a bit until you see the app section. Just tap on apps and here, go to the search bar and search for system UI. After searching for it, just tap on it and go to the storage option, and there you need to clear the cache. After clearing the cache, I want you to get back and here search for Google Play Services. After tapping on it, just go to storage, just scroll down a bit and you will be able to see the storage option. Just tap on it and tap on clear cache. After clearing the cache, just go to manage storage and here tap on clear all data. It may take a few seconds, but it will clear all the data and reset your Google Play Services app. And after that is done, just get back to your home page and reset your app, and in that way you can fix your system UI isn't responding error on your Android phone. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.